Hey, here's a quick showcase of a mod I made. It allows you to do some simple renders. By pressing X, you can open this kind of menu. The mod is called Wiki Tools. You can render clothings automatically, and it will save them in your cache folder as screenshots. So if you click Parse Outfits, it's going to parse the outfits automatically, and it take a screenshot of it. As you can see here, it's saving all the screenshots automatically. And there you go. You can rotate the character if you want. Change the background color. You can change the speed of it. If you go too fast, it might not render properly, or it doesn't have time to take the screenshots. You can change the naming of the file, and it saves inside the Zomboid screenshots folder, and you need to create this folder to be able to save the outfits. Another tool that's added is the ability to render every items in the game. So if you press U, you can open this kind of menu. You can list every models or every items to render, and you can choose an item to render from its full type. This way. This option is for weapons. It's automatically activated for weapons, but if you see the model not being properly like laying down on the floor, it's because you need to actually activate this option. This only happens for weapons. If we list items and we search for the assault rifle, for example, it's going to have this option automatically activated. It should detect it when it's a weapon and automatically activate it, but if it doesn't, make sure to do so. For example, here it needs to be activated manually because it's a model, so it doesn't detect automatically that it's a weapon item. I believe you might be able to render vehicles too, but like you can see, it's not going to show properly. There's no automatic rendering for items with screenshots because it might have problems based on the weapons you want to render. So it's better to use it just to choose items to render. Like the clothing menu, you can set the color of the background. I suggest keeping it at the green screen. It usually does the job. For clothing, it won't render properly because clothing don't use the same methods to define textures. I can also show the axis if you really need that. And that's about it.